another experiment. This is bulging water. So now stick a candle in the bottom of the bowl and add some water. I have already done it. Now add some food coloring into the water and then mix it. You can leave it without adding the colors, but to see the complete bulging, you will need to add the colors. So I have done it. Now you will need some adult supervision as we are going to use fire. Now light the candle and take a narrow cup.
For you guys to get a full view, I have put white paper inside. So now we'll be covering it, and as there's a lack of oxygen, the candle stops burning. And after it stops burning, there's a vacuum created and the water bulges inside. So this is the bulged water.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the video and click the notification bell for more videos like this. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.